What's up guys, another fun mail video. Gonna be using one of these Gerber survival knives for the unboxing today. Missed it. There you go. Oh, looks like somebody sent me their book. Trying to promote it, I guess. I guess this is some kind of a manual for a bunch of guns. Anyways, let's see what else I have here. This one comes from Leon. That looks like some kind of MRE, a whole bunch of snacks maybe. Wow, heart-filled candy. It's been a while since I seen last Slovenian MRE. So I think this is it here, either a whole bunch of snacks from Slovenia, from what I understand. That one has got poked too. But yeah, very cool. Thank you so much. It's kind of a look like an MRE. That is pieces of it. Okay, let's see what else I'm gonna get inside of this package. This is looks like from Amazon. Oh nice, check this out. They sent me another lighter. That is nice. I guess it's kind of like a unique lighters. Pretty awesome. Zorro Ultimate Justice. That's funny. I have done a lot of lighters. Every time I film something new, they start sending me unique stuff what I'm already filming. This is a nice knife unboxing. Let's see what we have here. This one comes from Pete. Let's see what we got. Bunch of Bible stuff. I think this is a Bible. English Russian parallel Bible. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's see what else I have. 3D prints. Looks like it's some kind of 3D prints, cell phone stands, tablet stands. But what's so cool about this one is my logo, Crazy Russian Hacker, on it. That is quite cool actually. Tablet or book stands, cell phone stands, that's pretty awesome. I guess you stand the cell phone over here and a logo on my side. Because I might use it. And I guess this is for bigger cell phone or something. Okay, this one comes from, I think it's from a company. So let's open it up. Air purifier, maybe? Delicious cocktail recipes. Oh, that's kind of cool. It tells you what to put into here and stuff. Don't see the name on this box. Oops. I'm an individual seller on eBay from England who just started selling a 6-piece mystery box from 5 francs, I guess. So, little eBay store he got. Anyways, so it's like $5 mystery box, I guess. Iron Man comics, pretty cool. What else we have here? Oh wow, speedo nose plug. That is funny. It's mostly for synchronized swimming. That's what it's for. This side here, pretty nice headphones used. Oh no way, I see some coins. That's awesome. All this for $5, that's kind of cool. Or 5 francs, I don't know, probably shipping included. What's in here? Oh wow, that is cool. A little bird, pigeon drinking water. I like coins and this is pretty rare. Half penny, 1962. Doesn't cost a ton of money either. And this is, oh wow, this is so cool. A little doll. Thank you so much. Little mystery box put into this unboxing. Okay, this one's from Baikonur. I think this is a company name. Yeah, it's a lot easier to have a tiny pocket knife versus using this giant bushcrafting knife. That was my last time doing that. Okay, there is in Russian a little bit. Just Привет, Crazy Russian Hacker. Bля! So there's a little bit of advertisement they got. But this is what they sent me. That is so funny. I don't understand what it says over here. But it says over here, bля. Like, blядь, сука, blядь. You know what I mean? That is funny. Anyways, let me know in comments below. What do you think? They are fun mail and bags. That's all I got in the last 2.5 weeks. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.